Different methods of user documentation. User documentation can either be in a written or online form, which would allow the user to search the document more easily and quickly. The user documentation would include all the instructions that are needed for the system to operate and could also contain frequently asked questions for new users. Documentation should be well structured and divided into the appropriate categories. So the types of documentation. You have manuals, which can be provided online or offline. One advantage of using online manuals is the potential use of multimedia features. Manuals can also be provided online as a PDF file, which allows the user to download and print out the manual. The advantage to using a printed manual is that it doesn't require a PC or internet connection to use. You also have email support, which is online support that is asynchronous type of support and can be provided by an email address. Users would contact the support team of the company to help resolve any problems with the help of specialized technicians. Embedded assistants or integrated user assistants. Software suites like MS Office have a built-in help system. One example is when the user hovers the mouse over an icon, a small text box appears with helpful information. This kind of assistance is considered an excellent way to increase the usability of a software application. Embedded user assistance is content-specific, task-specific, and does not require a novice to ask the right question to find the suitable answer. Frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions are listed questions and answers, which are supposed to give users answers to a common set of problems and pertaining to a particular topic. The format is commonly used on online forums. The list of questions contains questions that tend to occur normally. Live chat sessions. Online support is a type of real-time support that is extremely useful for emergency situations. A live chat technician will ask for the description of the occurring problem and try to present a list of possible solutions. A live chat video call or telephone call sessions provides a feeling of being supported by a real person, which is preferred by many users. Online portals or web portals. Online support is provided in many ways depending on the product or service that is being documented. Online portals can provide manuals, support pages, and FAQ pages. Remote desktop connections. Remote desktop is a function that enables a specialized person to connect to the user's PC across the internet from virtually any computer. Remote desktop will actually allow a specialized technician to take control of the user's PC as though they were sitting directly in front of it. This solution is ideal if the user is not very experienced. The solution has some security disadvantages because the technician is allowed to have full access over the user's PC.